Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping napa cabbage and salting it to draw out water and firm the leaves. Rub coarse salt between every leaf so brine penetrates. This preserves texture and prevents mush. Once salted, compress the heads and let them sit for 1 to 2 hours, flipping every 20 to 30 minutes so all sides cure evenly. Then rinse thoroughly, but not until all salt is gone. Retain enough to season. Make sure cabbage is pliable and slightly collapsed before moving on. Next, you prepare the seasoning paste that flavors and feeds the fermentation. Blend gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, with fish sauce, garlic, ginger, and a rice flour porridge or grated pear so it sticks and provides sugars for microbes. Once blended, smear the paste between every leaf and along the core. Thorough coverage ensures even flavor and safe fermentation. Wear gloves to protect your skin and use a spoon to press paste into folds. After filling, roll or fold heads to compact them tightly. Pack your kimchi into a clean jar or crock, pressing firmly so brine rises above the vegetables. Leave a couple centimeters of headspace. Seal or weight down to keep solids submerged because exposure to air invites mold. Ferment at around 18 to 22 degrees for 1 to 3 days for mild tang, or extend to weeks for stronger sourness. Taste daily. Once you like the flavor, refrigerate to slow fermentation. If fermenting at room temperature, burp jars to release carbon dioxide.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.